All right. It's kind of how we dress when we go do sound work. Yeah. I mean, I try to dress to kill. I don't know. Try to get that stick way out there. I'll talk to him and get it. Yeah, I'm waiting for the artist to come and get them all set up. We done ate our food and yum yum. That was good. We kind of get the same stuff over and over, kind of, huh?
Yeah, because we're always here.
We kind of try to change it up a little bit.
Not really.
Not really.
No.
All right. That's gonna be it. Dress to kill.